Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we're in London and I thought to myself, you know what? I heard there's a nice doner kebab shop which is called the Best Turkish Kebab. This is a popular place in London, so I thought, you know what? I'm going to come and try this doner kebab. So this is the shop here guys, the Best Kebab. So let's go inside and let's take a look at the doner kebab. So here you are guys, we've got the menu here, so there's a variety of foods you can get here and here's all your prices. And that's the doner kebab there, which looks absolutely fantastic. So this is all your photographs of these people who work here. They're quite award winning. And here we are, the British Kebab Awards 2013. I can't wait to try this doner kebab guys. Yeah guys, we got our doner kebab in here, so let's go and let's try the doner kebab from. So here we are guys, we got our doner kebab there. Look at that, how spectacular is that looking. We also guys get two pita breads with that, and we also get some sauces in there. Right, let's give this a taste. We got our chili sauce here as well guys, look at that. That looks deeply hot, that. Looks nice and fresh, that. Let's give this a taste. The kebab is very nice, it's fresh, it's very juicy and it's very meaty as well. And this is a really good kebab, really nice. I should say it's the best kebab in London. Over the moon with the doner kebab guys, seriously, it's just the best. A nice Turkish doner kebab with a different taste of it as well, compared to what you get in the Teesside area. Tell you what, this one is the best. Container of salad as well. This is what they give you with the doner kebab. Look at that, nice fresh salad. Wow. Flavors coming out of that chili. You see all the herbs and spices in that. It's really good chili, that actually. Really nice. Like the chili sauce, guys. It's really nice. Let's try the doner kebab with the chili. Look at that. Marvellous. Right then guys, so we just finished our meal there, and I must say that this was absolutely fantastic. I really liked this doner kebab. Customer service was really good as well. Lads behind the counter were nice and friendly, and I will say that the food is quality, but the price is very high, pricey, expensive. But overall, I would recommend you guys coming to the Best Turkish Kebab in London. I would recommend you guys come in, try this doner kebab out. I've enjoyed it, and I'll assume you guys will enjoy this as well. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.